Welcome back. In this video, I'll be walking you through probability part 2. The outline of this video is trig diagram and example on trig diagram. This is further solutions academy. Encourage us more. Help us to share our video and also subscribe to our channel. Help us to share our video and also subscribe. By the end of this video, you should be able to understand these two outline. The first one, tree diagram, and the second one is what? The example on it. Now, before I go deeper, now if I have a particular problem this way, I must be able to know that my tree diagram is if I have two sample and the number of time. For instance, if I'm to toast a particular head or tail, it is very common to call coins. Now, if I have something like this, if I toast it 2 times, it means first, second, 2, raised to power 2, which is what? 4. It means my sample space is what? Is 4. Now, my sample is just the outcome, the total outcome is called sample space. Now, if I have normally my tree diagram is always like this. If I have a particular something like this, I have 1, I have 2. This one can be head, this one can be tail. Now, this one will not be what? Head, tail, head, tail. Now, it means on this part, it will be what? Head, 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 tail, tail, head, and tail, tail. Now, that is all about that. It means I'm having what? 1 of getting head, head. It will be 1 all over 4. That is what I mean. This is first. This is first. This is second. First. Now, this is first. This is second. This is of getting head tail. It will be what? 1 all over 4. 1 all over 4. 1 all over 4. It means what I'm trying to explain at the beginning of the class, my 2 raised to power n, 2 outcome, which is how many times do we toast it? First time, second time, 2 times, which is going to be what? 4. It means this is the 4 I'm referring to. Now, if they are more than that, it will be like I have something more than that. For instance, it can be more than that. Let me quickly throw more light to that. It can be more than that. I think I have head, tail, head, tail, head, tail. Now, this is first, second. Third one will not be head, tail, head, tail, head, tail, head, tail. Now, how many am I having here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You can see that 2 raised power 3. First, second, and third. Now, how many times is third, which is going to be what? 8. That is what I mean. It means I'll be having head, 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 tail, head, tail, head, head, tail, 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 head, head, tail, head, tail, 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 head, and tail, tail, tail. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That is what I'm trying to work on. That is all about tree diagram. Let me quickly use one example tool to explain the tree diagram. It's a very simple part of very, very simple. It's not very logical. For instance, if I had 10 cards, numbers, 1, 2, 3 to 10 are shifted 3 times and choosing without replacement. That only one of the card has an odd number on it. Now, the problem here is only one of the card has an odd number on it. How do I go? I can move on by I want to draw my trick. I can see my trick can come like this way. Now, there are two things on this particular part. We have odd and we have even. It means odd and what? And even. Okay. If I have odd and even, I can move on by having another one. This is my first. Now, another one. Now, this is going to be odd, even, odd, even. Now, this is my second. Now, if I have that, I can move on to the next one, which I'll be having odd, even, odd, even, odd, even, odd, even. Now, that is all out. This is first, this is third. I think 3 times. I think I've sort out the all what I need. Now, I have at this point it will be odd, odd, odd. It will be odd, odd, even. It will be odd, even, odd. It will be odd, even, even. It will be even, odd, odd. Even, odd, even. And even, odd. Or even, even. Now, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That is very good. Now, how do I make my this at this point? It will be 5 all over 2, all over 10, which is 1 over 2 because there are 2 of them. 5 all over 10. At this point, it will be 4 all over 9, and this also will be what? 5 all over 9, 5 all over 9, 4 all over 9. Now, at this point, this one will be 3 all over 8, 3 all over 8. I mean, this is 4 all over 8, 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 and 3 all over what? Over 8. Now, that is all about that. Now, since I have this, I can now move on by getting what I want to get. The question asks me, probability orders. Now, if I should work on my order, I'm working on probability of replacement. Okay, only one of the card has an odd number. It means the order will now be probability of those things that have odd numbers. Now, of one odd number, only one odd number. It means anyone that has one odd number, that's what I want to consider. It means I'll be consider this, another one that with a one odd number, that's all. It means probability of what? Of first one, OEE. Second one, probability of EOE, probability of EEO. Now, each of them, it will be, what's my probability of first O? The one of first O, it will be 5 all over 10 multiplied by E. The one of E, I think this one will be what? 5 all over 10, 5 all over 9 multiplied by the last one is what? 4 all over 9. That is the first one. The second one, 4 all over 8. The second one, it will be probability of 5 all over 10 multiplied by 5 all over 9 multiplied by 4 all over 8. And the last one will be what? Probability of 5 all over 10 multiplied by 4 all over 9 multiplied by 5 all over 8. Now, these are the probability to be considered. Now, since I have that, I have this, I can now say that what? Probability on them, if they are all meaning they are mutually inclusive. They are mutually exclusive. Now, which it will be probability of those things one by one. Which I will be talking about, probability of even plus probability of EOE plus probability of EEO. Now, which I'll be having multiply them together, getting one, year 1, year 2, year 1, year 2. What again? 4, 9. Okay, I'll be having 36, 5. I think everything will be 36, 36, 36. Now, which is, I'll be 5 all over 36 plus 5 all over 36 plus what? 5 all over 36. Which I have 15 all over 36. 15 all over, I think 3 can go in everything. My answer will now be what? 5 all over 12. That is my answer. That's all about trick presentation of this thing. Now, once again, this is Further Solutions Academy. Further Solutions Academy. Encourage us more. Help us to share and also subscribe. Thanks for watching.